my name is Connor McNeil, and welcome aboard this 2001 34-foot Sea Ray 340 Sundancer, offered for sale by Georgian Bay Yacht Sales by United City Yachts. We are Canada's largest yacht sales network. Now, this is a 360 video tour, so as I take the camera throughout the areas of the boat with me, you can actually interact with the video, whether it's zooming in, zooming out, or scrolling around and having a look at the areas of the boat, and not just having to focus on me the entire time. Right now we're in the aft deck area here, so this does have full canvas enclosure to it. It is a slope back, so it does go down on an angle to the transom behind the aft bench seat there. Nice U-shaped seating here with a table. The table does come out and another insert goes in with two extra cushions that are down in the aft cabin right now. And that makes this whole area into one nice large sunbed. You've also got transom, doorway, as well as a transom shower, a nice swim platform, barbecue there for cooking outdoors. And then you got your full helm display here, so nice seating by the helm, and then GPS nav, as well as your tri-data there, and then your engine controls. A little bit of a wet bar area here as well, and then beneath the wet bar there's also a fridge, so there is a cockpit fridge here. Let's move down below. So some things to note about this boat is that the engines were rebuilt in 2022 after low compression was found in 2020. It took 2 years to repair, but finally got it done. So fully rebuilt engines, only a few hours on them since rebuild, so really almost new engines. Another upgrade that the current owners had done was put in all new wood floors. So ripped out the carpet, put in really nice wood flooring throughout, easy to clean, low maintenance, and removes any smell and odors that might exist with carpet. You got the convertible aft cabin, so that aft lounge area does convert into a double berth if you want. The salon table here also converts, but there is no conversion kit on board aside from just the slide that pulls out. But there would need to be a filler cushion added, but that can be done. And then of course you have the nice centerline V berth with access on either sides. This boat also does have a C&HEAT on board, and there is a 4.5 kilowatt WESTERBEKE generator. And then for power, these engines are twin MerCruiser 7.4 liter V8 engines. Again, fully rebuilt spring of 2022, so basically brand new. Now, if you'd like a private tour of this boat, you can contact me by email, which is connor@georgianbayyahtsales.com. Or you can visit our website for more information on the boat, all the photos, the 360 photos, as well as the full spec sheet and write-up of the boat. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and we can book that private tour anytime. Thank you.